I'm told the channel Aku English with Oromic Akkam Nagayo to Fayome Kesani. Bagajuratenis in Jaguya, da classy spokeny, Guya, Amabor Guya, Robida, classy spoken Yokomogia with her, classy spoken is in Bersudema, Hanga to Morsagantaki, Tinojintura, Yoronda, you Afrakia, classic here. Just I'm gonna start within tank twister. Okay, classy spoken tank to say Toko Sinjera. Try to twist after me. We can say, I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. You can say, I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Rather than that, no ginger, you can more comment at the Barresuela. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Jenna, here we go. All right. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Aku English with Oromic. I'm Aku from School of American English, my dear sisters and brothers. How you doing guys? How's life keeping you guys? You okay? I hope so. Okay, today I gotta have I'm going to teach you a spoken class. In our today's spoken class, just here is our topic is that when you are out of money or when you are out of something, how you gonna say I'm out of something? I'm out of money. It's not only about the money, guys. It's also about other things. Please stay with me until the end of my video. Kayam told the channel Aku English with Oromic Akkam Nagayo to Fayome Kesani. Bagajuratenis in Jaguya, da classy spokeny, Guya, Amabor Guya, Robida, classy spoken Yokomogia with her, classy spoken is in Bersudema, Hanga to Morsagantaki, Tinojintura, Yoronda, you Afrakia, classic here. Just I'm gonna start within tank twister. Okay, classy spoken tank to say Toko Sinjera. Try to twist after me. We can say, I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. You can say, I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Rather than that, no ginger, you can more comment at the Barresuela. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Jenna, here we go. All right. Today, here is our topic says that when you are out of money. Karshiyon kabane namata korra hakam jette furata wal magalata chuda. Or kan mo wan bira mesha wa kan hinkam to namata korra kamil lik efato kan mo Akkamitti na ken jettana chuda. This is our topic. So the first one is you can say, can I borrow your dictionary? Namata dictionary can alik so kan mo na ken nature bad. Mate gafata can I borrow? What is borrow means, guys? Borrow to mature. Borrow means to take something from someone which is not belong to you. Akasuma sa mo lende chuna mo hi kasa garagurma sa borrow for lende ada bachu yara. Okay, lende chuna mo to give something to someone. Okay, borrow chun namo wera wa fuchu like fachu borrow like fachu chura. Yoruba take something from and nan irraa chu namo irraa fuchu. Lend chuna mo like chura. Lend means to give something to someone. So how we gonna borrow? Namicho ma jalama borrower nan namicho like fasuma jalama he's called borrower. Borrower and the kuna mo like chura. Lender kakara banki fachu. So if you want to borrow something from someone which is not belongs to you, then how you gonna ask someone? Namoira walik fachu bad akametelik efat. You can say, can I borrow your dictionary? Or you can say, can I borrow your marker? Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your eyeglass? Can I borrow your shoes? One bad harakanalik efatu. Or you can say, may I borrow your pen? May I borrow your dress? May I borrow your jacket, your earrings, your necklace, whatever, your bracelet? One bad namaralik efatu or bad Afaan Ingiliffaa matan. May I borrow tan? May I borrow can I borrow tan? Okay, kaitan mo Akkamitti karshilik efatu. You can say, could you lend me some money, please? Or you can say, can you lend me some money, please? Hey, bro, just I'm broke today. Would you lend me some money, please? Or would you mind if you lend me some money, please? You can say. So you can say, could you lend me some money, please? Or can you lend me some money, please? Can you lend me some money, please? Or can you lend me some dollar, please? Dollar in Afaan Amerikaatti is called the bucks jedhama. Bucks jechuun Afaan Amerikaatiin dollar jechuudha. Biyya keenyatti immoo we can say dash, we can say paper, we can say nut, we can say brush, dash. Waa baay'ee jedhamuu danda'a jechuudha. Walumaa galatti Afaan Ingiliffaatiin qarshii yoo hin qabaanne akkamitti namarraa fudhatu? You can say, please today I'm broke, I'm out of money. You can say, please could you lend me some money? Hey, Mr. Cameraman, please could you lend me some money? If you have, you can say yes, I have, or you can say of course. You can say yes, I don't mind. But if you are out of money, you in qaba no akkam jette in qabetta. You can say I'm sorry, I'm out of money. I'm sorry what? I'm out of money. In qabu dhiifama I'm out of money in qabotte deebisne jechuudha. I'm out of money. Qarsheetu qabachuudha. I'm out of money. You can say I'm out of food, I'm out of dress, I'm out of shoes. Wanta hin qabne yoo maatte dubbata I'm out of it dubbata jechuudha. Yoo kana immoo karaa biraatiin immoo waan ibsina I don't have any money. This is very common and natural English. Ingiliffaa baay'ee common kan jechuudha. You can say I don't have any money. I don't have any money. Qarshii wayitu hin qabachu. I don't have any money. Or you can say I'm broke. I'm broke. Ani qullaa wanta kallee hin qabachuudha. This is very common in English language. You can say I'm broke. I'm broke. Hey bro, hey man, just talk with me. Mister, hey cameraman, please could you lend me some money please? You what? You broke, right? Are you broke? Qarshii qabdu? Say I'm broke, man. What's wrong with you? Why you just zip up your mouth? Okay, you say that I'm broke. Qarshii hin qabachu barbaada jechuudha. Yoo siin hin qabne no, she's broke. Isheen hin qabdu. He's broke in illee hin qabachu danda'a. So you can say what? I'm broke hin qabachu. I'm qullaa jechuudha. Or you can say I'm down flat. I'm down flat means I'm absolutely down. Means I'm absolutely what? Oh, that means. You can say I'm oichun in the dam. Rakon qabu I'm oichun is slang word jechuudha. Jechuun I'm down flat jechuun ani qullaa jechuudha. I'm on the hard track jechuudha. I'm on the hard track jechuudha. I'm down flat qullaa jechuudha. Tee homana keessa I'm bu'aa jechuudha. You see, guys, we can say I don't have any money or any penny for my name. Maqam kiyyaafuu qarshii qaba jechuudha. I don't have any penny for my name. Or you can say I'm out of pocket. Kiisha you hin qabachu ndet. I'm out of pocket. Or you can say money burns a hole in my pocket. Money burns a hole in my pocket. Qarshiin kiishin irratti gubachuu or you can say money burns a hole in my pocket. This all is idiomatic words kunin jechoota idioms mo jechama rakkoon qabu commonly baay'inaan kan si fayyadamu qabda maayidha kan jechuudha. I'm out of money. I'm down. I don't have any money. You can say I'm broke. So you can say I'm down flat, I'm or you can say I cannot afford. I cannot afford means if you cannot pay something for someone, you can say I cannot afford that. Wanta wayi kafalu yoo hin dandeenye, humnati yoo hin qabanne, you can say what? I can't afford that. Fakkeenyaaf waa wayi bituu barbaadde, then when we make a conversation haasaa yoo gochuu baadde, how much is it? Make a two sinjere. How much is it? 10. Dibba sinjere. Oh, I'm sorry, I cannot afford that. But I can afford 400. Dibba kafalu hindanda. But I cannot afford or I can't afford 500. Well, magrati, I can't afford that. Kafalu hindanda chura. Kunnin expressioni yeroo qarshii keessaa hin qabanne itti ibsuu fi akkaataa itti gaafatanii fi akkaataa namarraa waa liqeeffatanii fi akkaataa itti hin qabu jedhan isin barsiisuu barbaade guyyaadha. This all what I have for you for today. Thanks a millions for your time and patience. Next time you're gonna learn it's a grammar class. Love you all. Bye. Hasta la vista. Cheerio. Tata. Adios. So long. Peace out. Bye.